Alright everybody, just checked in the hotel, 416 is it? And they give you a 10% discount for drinks and food and those kind of things. And he gave me a list of these restaurants which are very popular. And a welcome drink that is really nice. Let's try it out. Oh, that's nice. So this hotel is called Arty Hotel and is managed by Radisson. Entrance looks really nice. So I'm going to show you the entrance. So this is the entrance. That's the reception desk. Oh yeah, really nice paintings. Yeah, it's an art hotel, so most of the art stuff will be present. But supposedly there should be loads of foods, drinks around here, so street food, those kind of things. We're gonna check that one out as well. So I'm gonna drop all my stuff in the room and then check out all these things. So it's still early, so it's like almost 5 p.m. But a really nice complimentary drink, dry wine, white wine. There's so many things to do in here. So let's just check it out. And everything is almost in walking distance, so that's really nice. I don't know if you guys have seen this list before or recognize any of these restaurants. These are supposed to be like the most popular ones. And that's really a big list, man. I'm not sure if I'm gonna visit every restaurant. Probably gonna pinpoint some of these on Google Maps and just go from there. I usually like read all the reviews on, well, not every review, just a couple of them, and just decide on, okay, if the reviews are good, then just go for it. Why not? Really nice. Complimentary drink. It's time for a hotel room tour. And just got out of the lift. I just drank my complimentary drink and this 416. And I have to see which way we have to go. 410, 49, okay. So we've got 416 as a room. $414, and this is 416. Okay. Wow. How do we turn on the lights, man? Let me check out how to turn on the lights. Bath. Lights full. There we go. Okay. So everything is like touchscreen over here. So okay, not a really big room. Oh, there's even your name on the screen. That's funny. English, Croatian. And this is the room. Do we have any view? Oh. Not really. So, nice big bed. That's nice. I think this is like a closet or not? Not really. Alright, so we can do the room tour right now. So this is a sliding door. Got a toilet over here, a sink. What do we have over here? Body lotion, hand wash, that's good. 2 cups, tissues, some kind of mirror where you can, makeup mirror or something, I guess. Is there like a button on it? No. So, it looks like something that can turn on or something. I don't know. And a shower, walk-in shower, which is nice. You got some amenities down here. Sanitary bag, fine-tuning vanity kit, bathing cap. I never use these things. A towel for your feet. A face towel and a bath towel, and your standard toilet stuff. And we do have an espresso machine, which is nice, of course, and complimentary drinks, I guess. These are from Illy, which is nice as well. Some nice tea selection, coffee mix, those kind of things. Well, that's nice. Lockbox and slippers. Oh, it's quite nice, man. They've got bathrobes over here, slippers. What do I have over here? A shoehorn. Okay. And something to shine your shoes. We've got a steamer and a hair dryer, which is also nice, of course. And of course some clothing hangers. Nothing too fancy. Yeah, your controls over here, bath, night. I think, yeah, everything is like handled with touch of a button. So everything is touch. And you can say privacy. Oh, that's nice actually, that you don't have to say night. That's really nice actually. You can press night, and then there's only like a night light, so it doesn't get, when you have to go to the toilet, that is so dark. A big TV, of course, a working desk, and for your luggage, a nice couch, and not much over here. Again, some controls, I guess, for the AC and the lights, which is nice. A radio. Do we have something over here? No. Empty drawer. And what do we have over here? Remote control. Oh, YouTube, Netflix. Looks nice. And of course a phone if you have like issues with the room or you need some assistance. So that is basically it. The room tour in Croatia, Art Hotel, Zagreb. Peace. There's one more thing I need to show you, is that there was a message here. It's like, it is with great pleasure that we welcome you to our hotel. We wish you a pleasant stay and beautiful memories. Sincerely, Art Hotel. Have no fear of perfection, you'll never reach it. Salvador Dalo. So really nice message. This is the card, let's make memories, and to give you a little bit of a biscuit. I'm not sure if this is like a Croatian biscuit, but it looks really nice. HNK, nice.